Alright, so we've awoken here in Tennessee at our campground to a little bit of calamity. Our chocolate bars, our vegan hot dogs, and our juices have been eaten by a raccoon that we saw climb one of these trees last night. We saw him around 3 in the morning digging through the vegan hot dogs. The little bandit ran that way.
He likes our orange truck.
Did have some fog here this morning in the Great Smoky Mountains. It's starting to burn off a little bit. Overall, not a bad campground. It's pretty quiet. It filled up. We did get a neighbor over there. We got a van life person over there. But the bathrooms do include showers, which are free. So that was a huge bonus, although I didn't actually take advantage of that this morning. It's still early. I still might. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Yeah, he's... This is the Tennessee River, Nickajack Lake. Pretty big, pretty expansive. Going over a pretty decent sized bridge at the moment. There's the Tennessee Welcome Center and rest area.
Quarter mile, merge onto Washington Street Northwest.
That's not a bad park. Downtown Huntsville, Alabama. It's got a nice fountain here. Let's go down a little more. Lots of ducks. Oh yeah. Monte Sano Railway, Huntsville Depot to Hotel Monte Sano, 1890. So these are the old tracks. Got the truck. We had to put the canopy up because once we go over to the camp, I'll show you here. So these things, these giant acorns, are just falling from the trees up here, and they've been landing on the truck. So in order to keep it from getting damaged, we've covered it with the canopy, which we've only used this canopy twice on this road trip. We're on like day 14. There's a nice little stink bug on our canopy here. There's the- And then for the front, I mean, we can't cover the whole truck, but the front we just put a piece of cardboard just to hopefully keep them from, you know, dinging our windshield. Got lots of firewood for tonight. It's gonna be a good night. Sounds like it's raining, but it's just the wind knocking all those stupid acorns down. Oh.
Oh, so bad.
Hit in the top. I'm gonna try some new beans. We got the Sweet and Smoky Chipotle Serious Bean Company with tomatoes and adobo spices. Should be pretty good. You see that V on the bottom? Big business. All right, Inga's got the Dr. Pepper beans going. Those are her favorite. Might be my favorite too. Let's open these guys. Just to vent them. Check on the hot dogs here. We got the Light Life hot dogs. Babe, do you want to turn those? Yep. Nah, that side needs a little more time. That one's looking pretty good.
Yours look done.